In our previous lecture, we have written insert logic. Now what we will do, dynamically we are going to render categories and occasion so that admin can select only from these categories and occasion and admin can insert the product. Come to insert product.php. Here we are having select field for category and we are having select field for occasion. Now below this, I will start PHP and then close PHP. Directly, I will be writing the query and this is for category. So variable name, I will write statement cat is equal to connection variable prepare method. Select the data, select. Let me just open the database. For categories, we are having table gift categories and inside that we are only having category ID and category title. So both I will copy. Come here. Let me just write in capital. Select category ID and category title. You can also write star. From which table I have to access from gift categories. And then I'm just going to order this order by category title. I will copy and paste. Let me bring on top. So what I'm doing, I'm just selecting category ID and category title from gift categories table and I'm just going to order by category title. You can also write star or you can write the column names. If you are having less column name, then you can write the column name. If you are having more column names and if you want to select all the data, you can simply pass star. I do not have to bind anything directly. I will be writing statement cat execute. Then whatever result I am having, I'm just going to access that result is equal to statement cat get result. And then I have to display all the categories inside this option. So here I will be passing while loop because I am having multiple categories. Variable name row is equal to result cat fetch assoc. Then open this and inside this echo, I'm just going to paste this option. Inside database, what I have to pass here, let me remove. I will be passing single quotes. Inside this curly braces, I will write here row and what data I have to access. I have to access my category ID. I will copy and paste. So inside the value, whatever category ID we are having, that we are just going to pass. And inside this, remove, copy this complete row. Here I will be pasting. Whenever user clicks on the drop down, whatever category title we are having, that we have to access. So here I'm just going to paste. That's it. Very simple thing. Before seeing the output, here we are selecting both the columns. So we have to separate by comma. If you do not separate, in place of category title, category ID will be shown. Now come to project. Refresh once. I will select here. You can see how many categories I am having. All the categories will be shown here. If I select bouquet, let me just come here. You can see in total I am having 4 categories. So all 4 categories will be shown. If I insert one more category, then that category also dynamically it will be shown to admin. Now same thing I will copy. Scroll down. Below this I'm just going to paste. Now what will be our column names? Let me come to database. Open this occasions. We are having occasion ID and occasion title. So here remove. I will pass occasion ID. Copy this. And then here I will be passing occasion title. From which table? I have to select from occasions table and order by occasion title. I will copy and paste. Then next change the variable. I will write OCC. Here also OCC statement. I'm just going to get the result. Then row OCC fetch ASOC and inside this I will pass occasion ID, copy paste and then I'm just going to pass occasion title. Variable name I have not changed so I will be passing OCC. That's it. Come to project. Refresh once. Now everything is working. If I click on occasion, whatever occasions I am having inside the database that will be shown. And if I click on categories, that will be shown. Now what I will do, I'm just going to insert the product. I will be writing test, description, test details, product keyword, okay, anything, category, gift hampers, occasion, I will be passing birthday, price 199, I will choose file, I will select these images as well. Now click on insert product. I will have product, whatever product title we are having, that will be shown inserted successfully. Okay, now where I have redirected? I have redirected to view products. As of now, we have not created this page, but successfully we are able to redirect to this page. Now come here, come to products table. Now you can see this product is added along with the information which I have passed. Now what I will do, I will just come to home page, duplicate this one, remove this admin, hit enter. Now you can see in home page also the test product will be added. If I click on view, entire functionality will be working. Whatever description I have passed, that is also given. So successfully we are able to display, or admin is able to add the product inside the website.